One of the stars from the 67 kilometer relay version 2015 in the studio with me. How's your team coming along, my brother?
My team is coming along very nice. Shero, Makhosi. When I add more listeners on my team because when I go ube qualified, I'm going to season like Marogo Twitter him. She was the first one.
Okay.
But I'm going to contact by the end of today. But they said I'm chilling, bro. I'm having fun. I'm gonna pay. I'm gonna pay.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna pay. See, I'm asparagus. Like this is the thing about me. Life has changed, bro. I'm not catching logic, yabo. I'm not saying nyabong ang zuilengan. I'm asparagus. I'm a steamed spinach. Lala, bro. It is green. It's right.
It's nice, eh?
Follow this, my passer. Hey, it's good.
How?
We're home. With my
yes.
So there, no bang peace, no pay. No pay to my son.
Asparagus.
No, asparagus. Our money out asparagus. Asparagus. So, what does this not passer? Like challenge at team yami. Ngithi mara team because my passer umuntu uyazi abantu abana high blood. Abantu abahlushwa amadoda ebusuku abantu abalahliwe abantu abahlukumezekile empilweni zabo umuntu uyagijima ngapha yakhala heartache ugijima ufuna ukusukela abantu abasijibelayo abasihlekelayo mina team asparagus uthi ngikuchallenge nabo bani nalabo abantu bakasizimapaseka shemba yazigulela yazi
Okay, we'll try and get hold of it.
We need to get hold of it because ngibeka ngisukele show inak akeze ke lana but yesterday brabo bangithi kunalokuthi manje bawurekana kwenzakaleni le abayicekazele.
Oh, Fair Faku, they stole his sound system and his very specific trumpet.
But yes, I can't believe, man. They took everything. They took my gold. Oh, they took my trumpet.
The thing about that trumpet is that he's allergic to that gold thing. So he can't put his lips on normal. So they had to. Yeah.
But the thing is, Nina prop up now we actually they also broke into my car and they're complaining Nico was kuluma but you can still talk as a location room to a time R5 manje akazi ukwatele wonke umuntu but yena ngilahla R5 ngisekushontsha my time ngisekushontsha my time I can't believe they took my gold, man. Wow. Really? Wow. What is coming into
5 rand airtime, really?
12 rand kasi. When I tell you airtime 12 rand, ukhala kabuhlungu. Ufuna umuntu wena uyithola uthi. Sorry. Ubumfaniseni. But akekho uthi uyoshontsha imali yamnyazi. Kwatela. Hey, brother, now I can't believe they took my gold. I see gold, but any SARS. Okay.
We'll take that.
Alright, so that's a trumpet. Hey, une organ. Ubani mazi one organ in 2015. They took my organ, man. Abakan baka popatala serious. Yes. And they took my plompot. Una plompot. No una plompot. Green what plompot sis. Batala bakan baka oti and my string day. Yeah, let's say le brown. I can't believe this. I took everything. All the
Kaya traffic.
I can open my doors like a collusion in my house.
No, man.
That's a plum pot. There's a plum pot proper.
Did you see that Casper and AKA fight from there?
But like I'm rapper lava. Imbaboni bashana ngempama really chance. Bangachaza balok ma Twitter.
Yeah.
Yeah. Angisabi nabankani bakho wozana. Bese bahlangana etlapini besathi nayi le bar. Hayi iyakuya. Why basukana bodwa? Yeah, abasisister lapha. Ngabe abakusula umuntu ogwaza nayo.
Yeah.
Abalanda umandoza awubuzwe yabo lo okap. Awala sakwaza manje. Relax. Abangani bakamandoza awubuzwe ukuthi laba bazokwazi uyababona. Yenza le bar spell phela mandoza ukhuluma kanje very in real life. He's on the baddest bird. Mr. fucking English, no reason. Right now. Right now. Yes, sis. Let's do this. Let's do what? Let's do this, boy.
So this one guy has actually admitted that he was wrong and he apologized after lying. So I suppose that's an okay thing, eh? You can admit when you've lied.
Laba wethu. Laba ile phondo. Uba indoda. Athi makashawa le phondo. Wenzani ngale phondo? Ene kulamalanga nje join uBoyd. Unokubheka uBoyd athi ngicela ukuthi nguku.
Oh man. By the way, we're still trying to get hold of Mapaseka.
I guess.
To find out what the story is. Why are you being challenged so unceremoniously?
Ngicabanga singitshontsha amayelo bone mina. Yabazi abantu abafona lapha kule phone show kaSimapaseka ebusuku. Banenkinga. Uzomnyatheza eziMapaseka ngilalanga. Uthi Mapaseka yini? Uza hey nangu umuntu uyakhona la. Yazi ndoda iyakhona ayikancane. Ilele leso sikhathi ndoda yakhona. Lo mfozo ufole radio ilele instead of that is one Mapaseka. I must tolerate this thing. And bafundile abantu abakule show bafundile I can't tolerate this thing. I can't go through to divorce. La bethu great. Ngazokhona ngazovuka. Ngoba ikhumba manje la. Wakhona nje. Cela mvakele wena cabanga mokhona ngale baraton. Ukhuluma ngebaraton. Mokhona kwenzakala nje. You lightning. Nakhona ukalala usafunda iphepha nje.
Higher traffic
And there's a collision also.
Iduli khona isikhulu. Phela usiduke isikhope. In fact, kule 67 km ngifuna ukuringa nefro yakhe. Ngizo ukuthi
It's on.
Security. Uthini ngami? Oh, you retaliate. Okay.
Someone had to do it, bro.
Okay.
Someone has to have a comeback.
Ngathi laba baseza yaba laba sewusela phela kanjani uwe loyo wena ngicaba kuna 12 wena preschool on marathon preschool singabantwana abancane phuma la ilo baba abanoboya esifubeni ngosingabantwana azafika izinto zakhona ke obrati Yeah, I'll take that as bosh. Sesivinje ngeradio nje ukuthi kahle. So manje la radio ukuthi awabuye la ubuya khona fere batsela.
Konje wena if awufundanga iphepha over the week ufika la yeah, when you are ill informed, that's what you do. Ongikhuluma ngazi vele.
You're getting it from both sides, bro.
Oh, vele. Yes, umon. When is ill-informed, hasn't read the paper or even watched the news. No, then I can watch it. What is my subject? Kuzayani. Kona manje fayafa ku abantu. Really?
What is the news?
News yaying.
I know about Petra.
No. But where the plump? All right. Hey, Tada.
As khuluma ngeculture kwe-raid guy one. I won nje brawam.
8:44 on Kaya FM 95.9. Timos, what's happening, my brother?
Nala maskopo wadla ngamagwenya. I won. Nayi business day ukubhekile awuyifunda nayi.
Lenza ngebusiness day. Ubani umuntu wabaziyo kweThemis ofunda business day.
Asikhulumi ngeThembisa, asikhuluma ngama-Afropolitans la bayifunda ibusiness.
Mina ngifuna
ifunde kayi-1 bro. Bathini ngamadola bathini. Yenzani idola? Awusitshele kayi-1.
Idola lihlala liphezulu. Yilo futhi. Idola lihlala liphezulu. Yilo futhi izayi. Idola lihlala liphezulu. Irandi liwile futhi. Ipetrol izokhuphuka. Yini engifuna ngifune ngebusiness day. No.
It's Vrydag, my broer.
It is my broer. Askumbi.
Askumbi, okay.
Hey. I see a name on the screen that I know.
Faka my infos, guys, come.
Yeah,
you were messing with her, so now she's coming back.
Paseka.
Hello.
Ngizobathi wena nale team. Ngizobathi ufaka i-challenge yale team yakho yantambama.
Angizweni usiqalile izolo.
Ngicela manje ufuna ulalela your team is 67 kilometers okokuqala abantu abalapha ku home yabazi ubadala banenkinga basushwa amadoda Bane-stress.
We will be chasing lezo inkinga naleyo diabetes obukhuluma ngayo. Siyonisula.
Ushukela zobulapho. Abomama bamakhisikhisi.
Angithi thina siyatraina ngoba thina si-healthy ngoba siyazazi ukuthi sineyinkinga. Wena-ke asazi.
Hanyachima na mngithi uzobekela ama-asparagus, uzwe?
Baby.
Yeah, baby
we.
Wena uthe hello sweetheart.
Ke re bolela Sikhumba hore go tsona di kiss tsela ke yana Ben 10.
I said gore ke na small mangane wa teng. Yena.
Ba mo batla they crush on him like heavy.
I said gore and actually lena o tlo wa ka waninyana mo.
Mara wa itse ke nganga bamba Sikhumba mokhabanyana o
ka mo prashanyana le khokho.
And ke mbitsa ke re Sikhumbi.
Bravo, yachayisa no mbona futhi. Bemnande show splomile ku grand. Sesiba personal manje. Senifaka mina kula mapitikota labo mama lawa.
Mara Sikhumba bazo excited ke mabakubona wena ube khona nje, just make sure that you are running.
Maria mbona Sikhumba ukuthi ayithanda iblue man.
Akena choice ufuna yona egcwele.
Akayibamba ukuthi.
Ufuna the full thing.
I have to protect Sikhumba now. Shame, man. I've never seen him shut up like that.
No, ukuthi ngiyazizwa ukuthi ngizoshintsha wrong mara ngiyazibamba. Wena sisibapaseka. Wena hayi isukile nje mungawari. Sohlangana nge-6 zaka September ne.
Uyakhohle ukuthi mina sikhulume kudala mina nawe ngatshela ukuthi actually start training ngoba ukuhlula shem khona. Mara kunendaba don't worry, even if number 2 wakho comes 10th, it's okay. It's okay. We'll still be with you.
Mamukele ra leboga.
That is it.
Thank you.
Khubeka uyokata le crash yakho abakunika yona ke.
Yazi la.